How to add highlights in Instagram without posting a story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now if you want to just add highlights on Instagram but you do not want to post a story, first of all what you need to do is you just need to tap on your story option. Now let's select a picture over here and then you can tap on this arrow icon. Then tap on the option of share, and here you can see the option of add to highlights. So simply tap on add to highlights. You can select whichever highlight, or you can also create new highlight where you can say name over here and then tap on add. Now it has been added to the highlights, so you can just now go back and not post it, and then simply scroll down, refresh the page, and here you can see added highlights to Instagram without even posting a story. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.